Play-to-earn P2E games have sparked a profound shift in the gaming landscape, introducing an innovative economic paradigm that goes beyond just immersive gameplay. Players can now earn cryptocurrencies as they journey through the game. These games are built on the foundational idea of empowering players to create tangible real-world value from their in-game endeavors. Let's delve into the mechanics of how play-to-earn games operate. Tokenized assets and in-game items. Play-to-earn games leverage the capabilities of blockchain technology to tokenize in-game assets and items. These assets are transformed into distinct entities known as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or fungible tokens existing securely on a blockchain. With each token holding a distinctive digital signature, players gain undeniable ownership and a sense of rarity over their virtual possessions. Economic ecosystem. Within the game's universe, a self-sustaining economic ecosystem takes shape, affording players the liberty to buy, sell, and trade their tokenized assets. This ecosystem is often underpinned by a native cryptocurrency, facilitating seamless transactions within the game's virtual economy. Gameplay and earning. Players immerse themselves in diverse in-game activities, from fierce battles and daring explorations to intricate crafting and shrewd trading. Through these ventures, players unlock opportunities to amass invaluable in-game items, tokens, or cryptocurrencies. These rewards hold the dual potential of elevating gameplay experiences or being exchanged beyond the game for tangible real-world worth. Blockchain verification. The unassailable integrity and security of in-game transactions are upheld by the blockchain. Every exchange, acquisition, and sale of tokenized assets is meticulously recorded on the blockchain, erecting an impervious wall against any manipulation or fraudulent activities. This fortified system effectively eliminates the specter of dishonest practices. Marketplaces and exchanges. Many play-to-earn games have integrated marketplaces where players can list their tokenized assets for sale. Other players or collectors can then purchase these assets using the game's native cryptocurrency or other compatible tokens. Some assets gain significant value due to their rarity or utility, resulting in a thriving secondary market. Decentralization. Play-to-earn games often operate on decentralized platforms, reducing the control of central authorities. This decentralization empowers players by giving them more control over their in-game assets and earnings. Economic opportunities. Play-to-earn games have created new economic opportunities, allowing players to earn a living by dedicating time and skill to the virtual world. Some players have even turned gaming into a full-time career, earning substantial amounts of cryptocurrency by excelling in-game. Community and governance. Many P2E games involve their communities in decision-making processes through governance mechanisms. Token holders may have the power to influence the game's development, updates, and other aspects, fostering a sense of ownership and involvement.